If you do choose to do a CTE program, just realize there is a ton of options to choose from. And when you do choose your program that you want, you can actually go at your own pace. I chose the graphic design course. In the graphic design course, you had to work a lot with Photoshop, Illustrator. One of my best projects that I've done in this course was a guitar poster. The second project I made was the OWATC shirt. It was really cool to see people walking around with my shirt, so I definitely challenged myself. You had to be really creative with it. One of the biggest things to do it while you're still in high school is high school actually paid it all off for me. So that's definitely one of the biggest things that everybody needs to realize. So it was a huge benefit to do that while you're still in high school.